Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this paper strip binding pocket, and this was super fun. If you would like the instruction booklet on how to create all of these pockets, check out my description box below and you'll see Cindy's Ko-Fi link and it'll take you right to it. Today you're going to need your journal page or a backing page and a strip of paper, and it can be 1.5 to 2 inches wide. You're going to want some extra paper to make mini pockets, and then glue or tape and scissors or a trimmer. So today I am back to working in the Gratitude Collab journal that I am creating using my Cozy Autumn printable kit. There's a little mark there with pencil and I want to erase that. Okay, so I'm using my Cozy Autumn printable kit and it's available in my Etsy shop. Okay, now what we're going to do today is, this is called the paper strip binding pocket, and I am going to use this as my paper strip. And so before I even get started, I'm going to mark this to the height that I want it. And I'm going to cut that. I'm not going to glue it down yet because we're going to create some mini pockets and attach them to this strip. So let's get to work on that. All right, my friends, so the first thing I'm going to do is create the little pockets. And so I took one of these, you know how a lot of us have these little decorative pieces of paper? Well, I took that, I folded it into thirds, and now I'm tearing. Okay, and now I'm going to create the little pockets. So I'm going to fold it in half, and this is the first thing I'm going to do because we have to test it for size, right? Before we start gluing it. So let's pretend this one is here, and then we have this one. And they might be a little bit wide, but we'll see. They can overlap if we want. And we have this one. Okay, here are 3. I think we can get 3 on there, right? Yeah, okay, these can easily go on here like this. This one has to go on first, and it is just a little bit big. And let me see if I think it's too wide. No, I'm going to leave the width. I'm going to just leave that. I think that's good. And I'm going to glue a little bit of glue on this side and this one. Okay? And I'm going to do that with the rest of these as well. I got the 3 pockets created. Now I am going to adhere them to this band here. And I wonder if I should use that band. It's decorative, and I wonder, hold on, it's going to be completely covered. I almost feel like I would rather, let me measure the size. Oh, it's perfect. I think I'd rather use this because since it's going to be covered, why use the decorative one? So I'm just going to cut a fresh one here. There we go. And we'll glue our pockets to this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it real simple. I'm just going to get glue all over this band. Okay. And that's that. Now we're going to start adding our pockets. So they need to stack, obviously. And we have to start with the top first. Let's see, yeah. I want to get them on there quickly so I can move them around if need be, yes. I'm going to move this one down a little further. There we go. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, I think that looks good. Now I have these 2 pieces of paper, and I'm going to use these to tuck into the pockets. This might be a little, well, it's not that tall actually. We might be okay. I'll just take a little bit off of the top here. Maybe I'll take a little bit off the bottom actually. And then I need to make sure I fold it small enough. So, you know what I did a couple of days ago when I was creating a pocket? I went ahead and I rolled the paper so I could make sure I got it small enough. So I just rolled it like this, tapped it, and then I put it down on my table, and then I pressed it down, and it makes a nice, perfectly shaped little tag. And now I could stuff it down in that pocket. Isn't that great? So let's do that for the next two. Let's use this. We'll do the same. We'll just roll it. And we can make it a little bigger if we want to. And then we're going to press it. And I'm going to pop this in this pocket here. It's looking cute. And now we'll need a little bit of a smaller one for this because we don't want it to stick up too far over the journal. I have this here. We could use this. That'll look great. And let's measure the height. So if we go here to, whoops. If we go here to here, I think that's probably good. And then just like the other one, I'm going to go ahead and roll it. I just feel like it's easier than trying to, you know, fold it perfectly. And we'll stuff it right in there. There it is. Look, that's so cute. Let's grab our ink and do a little inking on the edges of these little pockets. I do see a little bit of white showing. Okay. Okay, my friends, there is our paper strip binding pocket. I love it. I think it turned out so good. It's so cute. And it's a perfect size for the mini journal that I'm working on for the gratitude collab. So I'm enjoying this. That was fun. All right, well, check out Cindy's channel and see what she did today. And thanks for watching. See you soon.